Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a double exposure edit on Snapseed. So go to Tools and then go to Double Exposure and add an image. So press this image button. Then I'm going to select this image and then put it here. I use the filter lighten, this one. This is the default one, but I chose lighten. I'm just gonna put it on the right, and I'm gonna add another one to the left, but I'm just going to press the check mark button first. You can also adjust the exposure, the opacity over here. Just gonna lower the opacity a little bit, press the check mark button. Then I'm going to press double exposure again. You can do this how many times you want, but I'm just going to do it twice. So add an image. Just going to select this one. And add it to the left. I'm not going to change the, well, I might just change it just a little bit. I'm just going to press the check mark button. And that is basically it. Once you're done, you can just export it and save it. And press modify. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!